Welcome back, guys, to another Star Wars Unlimited Legends of the Force booster pack opening. Let's go ahead and get this started with our second one out of the box. At the end, you should see some Carbonite pulls. Alright, for our leader, we have Obi-Wan Kenobi. I'm still looking to get Revan. That is what I'm really excited about. Okay, and then we have Starlight Temple. I am going to assume this is from the High Republic. I do not know, though, because I don't care about the High Republic that much. Experience. Alright, Tusken Tracker, common. Go into hiding. Banking Clan Shuttle. Kadu. Hyperspace, that's nice. Jedi Temple Guards. Supremacy TIE Starfighter. Hunting Nexu. Point Rain Reclaimer. Secretive Sage. A Precarious Predicament Uncommon. Shatterpoint. Jocasta New. For our rare, we have Luminous Beings. And the foil, we have Do or Do Not common.